friends, it's Dr. Robin again. So far, we've been talking a lot about what's new and exciting in our program this year. But today I want to zoom out for a moment and answer the big question. So you might be wondering, what are we doing? What is changing at Dr. Robin's school? Why are things changing at Dr. Robin's school? What we're doing is MedPath. Let me take you back for a minute. When I first started teaching kids pre-med science, I thought, okay, I'll just gather all the important basics, put them in one big course, and boom, done. We'll teach in a year or two, and that'll be it. I mean, that's how most science programs are built, right? Each subject area is pretty much one and done. But it didn't take long before I realized how wrong I was. I started noticing something. My students, especially the ones who'd been with me for a while, were asking bigger questions. They wanted to go deeper. They wanted to know how all this knowledge actually gets used in medicine. Some of them had finished the course and were wondering, what's next? At the same time, others were just beginning. They couldn't handle this massive amount of information. They needed shorter lessons, more support, and time to build confidence. And that's when it hit me. We would never teach reading this way. We would never teach writing this way. Imagine saying, well, you learned to write a sentence in kindergarten. Great, you're done. Imagine saying, well, you learned to write a sentence in kindergarten. Great, you're done. But science often gets treated like a one-time subject. And the truth is, most adults don't know much more about their five senses than they did in kindergarten. Also, there are 8. That's not because they couldn't learn more. It's because they were never given the chance to revisit it at a deeper level. And that's why we created MedPath. MedPath is a flexible, multi-level path through science education designed to grow with your child over time. It's not about rushing. It's about building a strong foundation that supports deep, lasting understanding. Here's how it works. Every student will have their own login and will work at their own level. Newer learners will begin in the foundations level with the anatomy learning that's essential for structures in health sciences. These are short 10 or 15-minute lessons using the anatomy coloring book to build familiarity and confidence. Older students and teens can move into progressively deeper and more clinical levels. Level 1 MedPath, Essentials of Human Health. Level 2 MedPath, Principles of Clinical Biology. Level 3 MedPath, Comprehensive Medical Biology. In Level 3 and beyond, students begin applying what they've learned to real-world cases. They'll also receive one-on-one feedback on those cases to help sharpen their thinking and deepen their understanding. Your child can start wherever they are and move forward when they're ready. We'll be sharing a lot more soon, but here's a snapshot of how that program grows. So the foundations level is just introductory anatomy for newer or younger learners using coloring and guided discovery. In Level 1, Essentials of Human Health, we're going to take that anatomy and now build on it. It's a foundational course on how the body works and is designed to build vocabulary and other learning with confidence. In Level 2, Foundations of Clinical Biology, we're now switching to harder anatomy courses and more complex thinking with more case-based exploration of health and disease, rather than just looking at how the body works when it's working well. In Level 3, Comprehensive Medical Biology, this is a deep dive into the applied biology and looking at the medical relevance of what we're learning and really using our critical thinking. And like I said, with one-on-one feedback as students analyze real clinical scenarios. There's more coming out soon about each of these levels, so keep an eye on your inbox. MedPath isn't just a new version of Dr. Robin's school. It's a path that honors how kids really learn, with time, curiosity, and space to grow. Talk soon.